Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Selenium vs Scrapy, which is better. Focus on practical criteria and decision steps to pick a tool. I will walk through typical scenarios, explain performance trade-offs, evaluate development speed, and highlight maintenance concerns. By the end, you will understand which tool fits interactive sites, which excels at bulk crawling, and how to balance speed against reliability when designing your web scraping workflow. Selenium shines when pages require real user interactions or heavy JavaScript rendering. Use it for sites that block simple requests, need authentication flows, or require visual checks. Expect higher resource use and slower throughput, but get stable, browser-accurate results. I'll cover tips for reducing overhead, like using headless modes, session reuse, and selective waits, so you can make Selenium feel faster without sacrificing reliability in complex scraping tasks. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read that can change how you think about money and planning, especially if you value simple, practical advice. I find it oddly comforting to pair a focused scraping project with clear financial goals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Scrapy excels at efficient, large-scale scraping where raw speed and pipeline processing matter most. It uses asynchronous requests to maximize throughput, makes data cleaning and export straightforward, and scales well across many domains. Choose Scrapy when pages are mostly static or when you can fetch API endpoints directly. I will explain how middleware and pipelines help manage politeness, handle failures, and keep your scraper maintainable at scale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.